I'm the Little Hands nutritionist, and throughout the day, it's required by the CDC that I do high-touch areas. So I'm gonna start doing my high-touch areas, which is my water fountain. So I spray, then I wipe it. Alright. And the children do not, they come to the water fountain to refill their personal water bottles. They do not drink off of our water fountain at all. And then I'll come over here to our my other area, and I'll also wipe our door exits and our locks and our door handles. I also wipe the back or the outside of the door plate. Then I'll come in, fill up my bottle, remove my gloves, put that away. Very important that you change your gloves so that you don't transfer any germs as you go outside to wipe the playground. So I'll go out here and I'll wipe all of the areas that the children touch. I'll start over here and I'll wipe their slide. So that everything is nice, clean, sanitized, ready for the children to come out and play safely. Now that everything is right, the children are safe and sound. The playground is clean. And the children are ready for fun. The playground is clean.
All right, Miss Williams, thank you. Thank you, Miss Williams. All right.